TTRLA, man, we are back with another update on the YNW Melly trial, double murder trial of his two best friends, man. It get tricky, cause shit getting tricky, man. It's getting sticky, Ricky. Look at her face, though. And Shorty looking like she is transcending YNW Melly's song, I Got Murder on My Mind. So what's happening right now is they giving testimony on the DNA found in the car.
For Christopher Thomas.
The results are at least 8.15 times 10 to the 24th, or 8.15 septillion times.
So what's happening right now is the prosecution has an expert on this thing giving his expert opinion about the different DNA testings that they did on the vehicle that all three gentlemen was in.
Whether or not he was excluded on a three-person mixture on item number 43, swab of rear driver's side door handle material.
Yes, the results are at most 46, and this is an inverse LI calculation because the number was less than 1. So the DNA results are at most 46 times more likely if it originated from three unrelated.
And I ain't gonna hold you. This part boring as shit. Like, they giving the exact number of the specimen. This shit boring, man.
Is excluded from that sample.
Yes.
Okay. Going on to Anthony Williams. Were you able to make a conclusion as to whether or not he was included or excluded?
I did. He was included. The LR calculation, the DNA results are at least 41.2 times more likely if they originated from Anthony Williams and two unrelated unknown individuals than if they originated from three unrelated unknown individuals.
And in terms of the verbal qualifier that you would give for Mr. Williams being included in that sample, what verbal qualifier would you give?
Limited support for inclusion.
Is that the lowest for inclusion?
Yes.
Okay. I believe I forgot to ask you with Christopher Thomas, what verbal qualifier would you give if he is included on that?
It is the highest at very strong support.
And at last but not least, were you able to analyze the profile of the defendant, Jamel Demons, in this case?
I did, yes.
Boom, 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 boom. It get tricky. Hey, the prosecution that played, she came with her Chef Curry. She cooking. Watch her cook. She was tired of getting spanked in the comments. Let's tap in.
From Jamel Demons and two unrelated unknown individuals than if they originated from three unrelated unknown individuals.
And what verbal qualifier did you give to that particular item of Mr. Demons being included?
There is very strong support for the inclusion.
So if I'm understanding it correctly, Matt, the defendant, Jamel Demons' DNA, was not on a lot of this evidence.